Hello, everybody. I have something that you ladies will love. It is called Handaiyan Mate Liquid Lipstick. You're not going to want to miss this. You guys know my lips be dry. It's all outside. And with the summertime coming, the heat doesn't help your lips at all. So let's open it up. Let's take it out the pack. Once again, like I said, everything that I've been getting here on TikTok, I'm not boasting them, but they package it pretty well. And you see how beautiful the box is. Handaiyan, beautiful packaging. If you're somebody that's very, very classy and you like, especially for people that's really, really into makeup, I know the way it's packaged, the quality of the foundation or the quality of the product means a lot. So let's open it up and see even further how they packaged it. Oh my goodness. Isn't that so beautiful? You got such a variety of colors. You got the dark pink, you got the sexy red, you got the light pink, you got the regular pink, and then another pink, and then like a watermelon type color. I mean, the colors are so eye-catching if you ask me, even down to the packaging. Look how classy they did it with the handwriting, even down to the setup of the box. Most of the time when you go to places like Walmart or anywhere, they only sell them singly. But you don't only have a single lip, or really this is lipstick. This is not lip gloss. This is lipstick. So 6 come in the pack. 6 come in the pack as you guys saw. Let's put it on my lips and see the quality. And it feels good on my lips. Like it's not greasy and it's not something that will come off just like that. I feel like this quality of lipstick is long lasting. Like you can basically go through your day and you don't have to worry about reapplying it as much. So you got 6 in the pack that will last you a pretty good while. And now we're going to try the pink. And I would have took the red off, but like I said, it doesn't come off just like that. So if you're looking for some lipstick that is long lasting and doesn't rub off just like that, this is what you need. That's the pink one. So I want to try the other ones, but like I said, I can't just wipe the stuff off. So it's such high quality with long lasting. I'm just going to show you guys in the bottle. Those are the rest of the colors. If you know the first 2 was good, you know the rest of these are going to be great on your lips. So I don't know what you women waiting for. If you somebody and you like your lips to look good because you are somebody that likes to be beautiful, even though you're beautiful anyway, this is definitely a bonus to your makeup collection. And let's look at it one more time. Let's see if it'll rub off. See? Let's try again. Just a little bit, but not much. Not much, nah. Like once it's set on your lips, it is there. You got something that's going to last all day. All day. Like I said, get yours below. The link is below. Get yours today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.